Okay, good evening, good evening. In the Philippines, it's now 11:23 p.m. Now, guys, I will teach you how to migrate your token from Metamask. No, just type shido.dex.io. Okay, this one. We're here now in our DEX aggregator, no? So, if you're using BNB Smart Chain, no? So just connect your BNB Smart Chain. Click that one, BNB Smart Chain, and then select MetaMask wallet. Then tick the box, agree to connect terms and condition. Okay, and then connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, that's what the result. Yeah, your wallet is now connected, and then the next step is now click the earn. Okay, as you can see the earn button here. Click the sticking, and the next is click if you are old token in MetaMask, click old sticking. So next procedure is claim. Click the claim. After you click the claim, click the lock. Okay, and then you finished click the lock. You may now claim your token. New Shido tokens will be released after 4:30 p.m. UTC. So the new Shido will be released after 4:30 p.m. UTC, you know. So you may now claim this one, but then connect to your MetaMask wallet, but your token is not showing in MetaMask because the new CE is not released yet. So we will wait for this time, 4:30 p.m. UTC, for the new contract address of Shido. So that's all, guys, and happy trading for all. I hope you have learned my tutorial tonight. God bless. God bless.